Hello and welcome to the Greenworks Garage. In this video, we will be giving you an overview of the various steps necessary for you to get up and running with your new Greenworks product. As always, we would like to thank you for being a part of the Greenworks family.
Align the ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the battery compartment. Push the battery pack into the battery compartment until the battery pack locks into place. Pull the trigger to start the blower. Pull the cruise control lever clockwise to increase the speed. This will lock the speed at the desired setting. Push the cruise control lever counterclockwise to decrease the speed. When you push the turbo button, the blower is at its highest speed. The turbo is only active while you are holding down the turbo button. To remove the battery, press and hold the release button and pull the battery out of the battery compartment.
Now that you have completed this how-to guide, you should be more familiar with your new Greenworks product. For more details and safety information, please read the owner's manual provided. If you have any other questions about this product or other Greenworks tools, be sure to check us out on our website, greenworkstools.com.